we are here in a very huge grocery, one of the biggest grocery here in Manila. I am with my siblings. There is my sister in black, and this is what we got today. We are still searching more, and this is a very big grocery shop here in Manila. It's so huge. Look at that. From the ceiling down to the floor. This is the biggest, not the other one where I used to go at Robinson. This is SNR shopping center with so many stocks of my sisters already have arrived. My sister arrived already from Canada. And we are still waiting for my sister from the USA. So we are shopping first. And then go to the hotel where we check in. And pick them up later from the airport. So this is the huge shopping center here in Manila at SNR. Hello. And this is what we bought to bring home in the province. There are many utensils here. There, up there. More electric fan up there. And there is more over here. These are all mayonnaise. And then here I am. This is me. I'm still trying to find something to buy. Because my sister will pay some of my grocery this time as her present to me, because I've been helping her during her college education. So she'll do free shopping for me today. She's back from Canada. I've been helping her when she was studying college. She's giving me back some. I did not ask her to give me back, but she's giving me back something. Yeah, I'm so happy about it. It's really a huge shopping center. There is more up here. There are more up here. Trying to check on this, on what is best to buy. I'm still deciding what else should I buy today. I'm waiting for my sister to come over. I don't know, they have been looking for more to buy. I cannot find them, so I'm just standing here on the alley so they can see me easily. I think they are at the wine and at the wine section because I cannot find them now here. They're trying to buy some wine because we have many visitors in 5 days. Because we have a very big celebration for 5 days. Here I am again, taking photo of me. Trying to get myself over here. Just waiting for my sister and my brother to come here where at the alley where I'm standing. I don't know where they are now, so I'm just waiting for them here. I'm just taking some. I will just continue doing my video. I don't know where are they now. Waiting for my sister. Juice ba yan?
Green juice mo.
Ay?
With grass mo.
Ay, with grass.
Gusto ko na yung walk.
Ah, there is my niece. She have more groceries. And this is my car. It's not full yet. There you go. Pistachios. Some hazelnuts. So here I am again. Here I am again. Taking photo of me. Sorry. Cannot find my sister. Ah, here we go. There, he got something for himself.
At water lang.
Ano kayo bilhin nito eh?
Yeah. Nami effort ang Dennis siya o hindi.
Meron.
Tulong.
Ayaw nga pa rin
3 items.
20
3 items.
okay.
Sabon.
I couldn't find my sister. They're in period. Oh, there she is. There's my niece. It's really a huge shopping mall. It's so high, the ceiling, and it's so full. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. There is my face again. Here I am. Bye, guys. We are going back to the hotel after this one because we are going home to the province tomorrow night. So we are staying overnight here in Manila at the hotel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.